Okay, I'm Daniel, and with Nicholas as well as Damien, CNET, right? And so we're right here at HP, and we discovered this very cool thing. So this is a HP's thin client with sorry, didn't get your name, Billy.
Yep.
Billy from HP. Yeah, so he's going to tell us all about this because this is pretty fascinating. Yeah, and he's going to repeat this all over again for Damien. Yes.
Alright, CNET, probably CNET. You guys are from CNET?
No, they are.
Yeah. Okay, I've been in CNET. You can watch my video, by the way, on CNET.
Okay.
Yeah, so I'm with three guys who asked me about thin client. It's kind of cool. This is the new concept, thin client over here. Yep. What is a thin client, and what's so great about this? It's a new form of desktop computing today. Right, very power saving. It runs about 15 watts over here, compared to a 90 watt desktop PC. So we do sell PC too, but it's kind of interesting that a lot of companies are selecting this based on the cost. Mm-hmm. Right? And some of the software that we run here are really very secure, low cost, very efficient, very easy to manage. Embedded. Yeah, and it runs the new Microsoft Windows embedded systems, or you can use the Windows XP3 embedded system.
Windows XP3?
Yeah, XPE version XP3.
Oh, a service pack you mean?
Yes, service pack 3.
Okay,
yeah.
okay, interesting.
Yeah,
so everything inside is the software is embedded.
Correct.
And what you were telling me of flash and ROM, right?
Yes, there's a flash and ROM in there. The flash holds your OS, and the RAMs, of course, runs your program. The good thing about this is that the user would really like to mess this up on the OS, but once you reboot it, it has self-healing features in there.
Yep.
Right, it restores back the system back to normal from day one, and that is what a lot of IT departments are actually looking at.
So yeah, just to clarify, all this is for corporate, right? Enterprise level, or not necessarily
for small medium-sized
well.
business who has very little resource on IT department, and to a very large who can actually handle backend servers, and at the same time they would like to spend more time doing a lot of line of business for the company rather than focus on break fix. Right? Today, IT department don't repair hard disks or replace a broken power supply. They would like to focus how they can actually make the company richer or gain more business. So IT department becomes a profit center rather than a repair center.
Yeah, that's true.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, go on.
I'm done.
No, you're done. You never show us the monkey test yet. How do you whack this?
Yeah, it's amazing.
SSD.
So kids, do not do this at home, right? So this is fully solid state. There is no running, no moving part in there. There's no fan in there. So while it's still powered up and running, right? Please do not do this at home. Fully solid state.
Yeah, it's amazing.
And it runs on 12 volt.
It's full spec, right? The graphics, everything. It's
ATI
Radeon.
ATI Radeon.
So this particular spec one, is this a $375 US dollars?
That's correct.
$375 US dollars with this machine,
and
the display, the keyboard, mouse. Wow.
And the keyboard and mouse. The internal USB.
Or was it a top secret thing?
Internal USB.
Yeah, that's one I'm not supposed to show, but
okay, let's this is gonna go online, you know. You sure about that?
Okay.
Okay then. Yeah, so we were asking, right? So we were asking him, so where are you going to store the data, your information, right? And they say you can put thumb drives in there, but people might lose thumb drives, might break it, all that. So he said there's actually an interesting solution to this. Whoops, sorry about that. There's an interesting solution to this, and there's actually a USB
hidden compartment, when we start to design it, we call it the Bat Cave, and nobody knows where Batman lives, and this is where the Bat Cave is. This is where the Bat Cave is. It actually has two USB hidden compartment right there.
So you can put flash drives inside there?
Yes, without having the user known about it.
Okay, I need to take a picture of it later.
Thank you. Yeah, I want to take a picture.
It's very cool. Yeah. So while they're doing that, so this one is the notebook version, right? So the notebook,
the mobile thin client,
right?
Yep.
So the exact same concept. So embedded system, embedded software, and all that. And it's designed for cloud computing. No server required, right?
Yes.
For this particular system.
You don't see any server. I don't hook up to any server.
So as an IT can put in the software that, let's say you're a bank or something, you can put in all the software, the custom software inside there, and then after you can lock it.
That's right.
So then, each time you reboot, anything they'll be kind of refreshed back.
If the OS gets corrupted, once you reboot it, it actually have a self-healing property.
So how about things like service packs, updates and stuff,
yes,
software updates?
Microsoft and HP has a very close alliance. So whatever Microsoft release, any QFE, any service pack, HP will be the first one to put on the web, and it's actually downloadable by the users and upgradable by themselves.
Oh,
For us to
so
restore a OS is 10 minutes. For you to restore a normal OS on a desktop, it will probably take you 40 minutes.
okay. So
Because
in other words,
Flash run 4 times faster than any spinning.
so when a user updates the operating system, it's permanent, right? It's not affected by the so-called self-healing mechanism.
No.
Okay.
So once you restore, it restore back to factory level.
It's really interesting. Yeah. So embedded apps.
This is like a netbook, a desktop. This
Except for that embedded system and all that. Yeah, it's very
So if
fascinating.
you guys want to look for it, go to our national library.
Consumer cannot buy.
National Library.
Yeah, the consumer can't buy this. That's a waste.
National Library is using this. This is pretty cool.
Yeah.
This is really
So
cool.
national libraries.
Arena.
I think IT, yeah, you're right. IT will really love this kind of stuff. I don't know about the users though.
Yeah, the users.
Yeah,
will
the
use
users-
it.
For like, let's say banks,
Yeah, thanks.
because like you don't allow them to use IAMs, whatever,
So
military.
if you
Yeah,
were to speak
yeah,
to
military.
if you were to speak to Oracle, PeopleSoft, SAP, SAP, you will realize that a lot of their banking applications are already web enabled. So as long as you have a web browser, you can do your daily transaction.
Can you change the default web browser? Sorry, I'm just asking.
What?
Change the default web browser.
Come on, you guys gotta sell this to the consumer, right?
You're looking at the person that says no. Yeah, because we don't have the support structure. Because if some user would call and say, "Hey, how come whatever I install, I reboot it, it disappear?" Right?
Yeah, that's true. Yeah.
Yeah. So we can handle enterprise, but not the user.
So you're saying an interesting thing, right? Let's say that the machine has a 3-year warranty, is it?
Yes. The machine carries a 3 years warranty, 1-to-1 exchange. HP does not repair them anymore.
Yeah.
As long as you bring in the defective units, we will replace it 1-to-1.
Yeah. And it's great, especially since none of the data is stored inside anyway, right?
Precisely.
Yeah.
So a lot of bank has a request is that we will have to drill through the flash to destroy whatever information is in there.
So with 15 volts, I can put battery to run.
I told you you can hook it up to your car battery if you want.
It's pretty neat stuff. Thanks a lot, Billy. It's really interesting stuff.
Alright.
He just pushed. He only just pushed the button.
Is there a reason why on XP you're not on business?
Okay.
Because of your resources and
Yeah.
because of your installation and
So I was telling the other journalists, right, there's 3 groups of culprits in the IT industry. There's the software, there's the CPU, and there's the storage. So the moment your CPU is fast enough, someone will slow it down with the software. I will not mention names. And then once your hard disk gets enough, it will make
28 seconds. That's amazing.
to the desktop. Okay, so that's kind of
Yeah, that's pretty amazing.
so this is because of software support that you're
yes.
There's the inside.
And the reason we are
USB
hearing
front is a hidden USB port. North-south bridge processor. This is the ROM,
XP story, right?
PCI
XP has been around
slots,
since 2002 to today, 2009.
and
You can't beat
this is the RAM, right?
Yeah, that's the RAM. That's the same RAM as the notebook.
Okay.
And
stuff.
the other guys notice something, there's no wires. The only wires is the speaker cable.
The speaker cable. Yeah, this one.
So basically,
There's actually no wire inside the whole thing.
that's where the state comes in.
This is the only wire. And you can find it on the whole board. It's amazing.
And we don't even need heat cooling for the video. It supports dual screen actually.
Oh,
One VGA and one DVI.
okay, that's pretty cool. You can see that at the back. There. 4 USB ports at the back, 2 in front and 2 inside.
Two here,
Yeah,
two here.
hidden. Oh, it's pretty neat. Cool stuff.